Whether you are a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your trading skills, you're in the right place. This comprehensive Forex Trading for Beginners course is designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to be successful in Forex trading. If you're new to trading or struggling to understand the complexities of the Forex market, by the end of the course, you will understand how Forex trading works, how to analyze the markets effectively, and how to develop a well-structured trading plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Whether your aim is to generate extra income or embark on a full-time trading career, this course provides the guidance you need to make informed trading decisions and navigate the potential pitfalls of the market, setting you on a path towards trading success. If you find these types of videos informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Your support motivates us to create more educational videos like this one. Now let's get started. In this course, we'll start with understanding the basics in Chapter 1, where we cover essential terminologies and concepts. Moving on to Chapter 2, we delve into how Forex trading works, exploring market mechanics and the role of brokers. In Chapter 3, we equip you with essential tools and strategies, including technical analysis and fundamental indicators. Then, in Chapter 4, we guide you through building your personalized trading plan. Finally, in Chapter 5, we tie it all together with practical examples and case studies. Let's dive in. What is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for trading currencies. It's where traders buy and sell different currencies in hopes of making a profit. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's closed over the weekends, making it one of the most accessible and liquid markets in the world. The daily trading volume in the Forex market averages around $6.6 trillion. This immense volume is a result of continuous 24-hour trading across different time zones, involving a wide range of participants, including central banks, financial institutions, corporations, governments, speculators, and individual traders. The Forex market's large size and high liquidity create numerous opportunities for traders to buy and sell currencies at various price levels, making it a dynamic and attractive market for those seeking to capitalize on fluctuations in exchange rates. So let's look at the major currency pairs. When it comes to actual trading in the Forex market, currencies are traded in pairs such as Euro-USD or JPP-JPY. The first currency is called the base currency and the second is the quote currency. Understanding these pairs is essential because they form the foundation of Forex trading. Let's look at some few examples of currency pairs in the Forex market. Euro-US dollar. This is one of the most traded currency pairs in the world. If you believe that the euro will strengthen against the US dollar, you might go long on Euro-USD. And by going long, I mean buying. For instance, if the currency price is 1.1000 and you expect it to rise, you could buy at this price and potentially sell later at a higher price, making a profit. British pound Japanese yen. If you think the British pound will appreciate against the Japanese yen, you could take a long position on JPP-JPY. If the current price is 150.00 and you anticipate it will increase, you might initiate a trade at this level, aiming to sell when the price is higher. Australian dollar, US dollar. Imagine the Australian dollar is strong compared to the US dollar. You might consider buying Australian dollar, US dollar. If the currency price is 0.7500 and you expect it to go up, you could enter a trade at this rate, looking to capitalize on the potential price movement. Euro British pound. If you have a bullish view on the euro compared to the British pound, you might buy Euro GBP. For instance, if the currency pair is 0.9000 and you think it will rise, you could enter a trade at this level and potentially profit from the price increase. Now that you're familiar with currency pairs, the next chapter talks about how Forex trading works. Click here to watch the second chapter of this course. And if you want to become a pro trader, go to forexzeal.com to get more free courses and tools.